Every time I try to stand, it starts to fall. All those lonely roads that I had traveled on, there was Jesus. When the life I built came crashing to the ground, when the friends I had were nowhere to be found, I couldn't see it then, but I can see it now. There was Jesus. In the waiting, in the searching, in the healing, in the hurting, like a blessing buried the broken pieces. Every minute, every moment, where I've been, where I'm going, even when I didn't know or couldn't see it, there was Jesus. For this man who needs amazing kind of grace, forgiveness and price I believe. I'm not perfect, so I think there was Jesus.